Hi there, welcome to the channel. It's JK here. You just got a new phone and want to install WhatsApp. This is how you can go about it. So look for Google Play Store on your home screen. If you can't find it there, then you should click A to Z, where you have a list of all the apps on your phone, and then search for Play Store. You need to have internet connection on your device, either through a Wi-Fi or a mobile data. Tap on the search bar, then search for WhatsApp. Click search. Tap on WhatsApp. Tap on install. It says pending. This may take a little time depending on the speed of your network. So the installation process is done. Open. So the installation process is done. You are now left to set up your account. In our next episode, we'll be taking you through how you can set up your account. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and then give this video a like. See you in the next one.